So here is how you can download the Google Drive folder onto the iPhone. Let's get started and let's explain that. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the way that I would do this is I would ensure that you have the Google Drive application installed on the iPhone, right? Like we need to have that, but I would use the Files app only, right? So within the Files app, go to the Browse section and tap on the three dots in the top right. Then click on Edit and make sure that the location for Google Drive is turned on so you can access it within the Files app. Now, I would open it up like this. You obviously need to be signed in with a proper account. That's required. But essentially, you now have the folders accessible, right? So you don't have to download just one file one by one, right? But you can literally just hold down on any folder, click on a copy or move, and you can basically just move it to your local storage, right? So you go back, go to the On My iPhone section, and you copy it in this place, right? So it might take a little while, right? And, there are possible reasons why it might fail, like due to some internet connection or whatever, but usually it should get the job done. And I think it's better in case you want to download like the whole folder compared to just like individual files within it, right? So that's the way I would do this. So just try it out if it works out for you. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Subscribe for more tutorials and ideas like this in the future as well, and I'll see you later.